Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're creating a cheerful Santa Claus with his big gift bag.
Wow!
So, grab your markers and colors, and let's get started. I pick up a black marker and begin drawing Santa's hat. Next, I draw the nose, 2 eyes, and eyebrows. Then, I add the shape of the beard under the face. Moving on, I draw Santa's right hand and finish shaping the beard. After that, I draw the left hand and outline the body.
Wow!
Then, I sketch the belt and complete the shape of the coat. Next, I draw the legs, followed by the shoes.
Oh no!
Finally, I add Santa's big bag to finish the outline. Now, it's time to bring in some colors.
Yes!
I start by coloring the hat red.
Okay.
Then, I color the coat and pants red as well.
Uh-oh.
Whoa!
So cute.
Hello!
For the belt, I use a very soft red shade. After that, I color the shoes in a moderate orange tone. Next, I fill in the bag with a bright green color.
Uh-oh.
For the face and hands, I use a rosy brown shade.
Wow!
Ciao, ciao.
To finish up, I pick up the black marker again and retrace the lines to highlight the drawing. And there it is, Santa is ready to spread the holiday cheer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative art projects. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.